What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another moto vlog. I just got done doing a little shopping, and I think I'm gonna go down to a huge liquor store down the street and grab some beer. It's usually my go-to place whenever I want some more exotic beers or different stuff. I think we'll do that. God, I need to move. It is hot AF right here. You know, for mid-September, it is quite warm. I mean, it's still summer weather. I think we're supposed to be in fall this coming week. If we're not already by the time you watch this video. Good God, it is baking in the sun, man. God, I'm gonna have to drink those beers as soon as I get to the liquor store. Come on, man. I just need a green light. I'll be frying over here, man. I'll be frying. Oh, yeah, there's a green light. I'm sure you guys probably have big liquor stores where you guys are from. But Friar Tuck's is probably the biggest one in the area. And they have a huge selection, everything from liquor to beer to everything in between. Mixers, you can even buy stuff to brew your own beer here. And it's awesome. I'll have to see if I can take the GoPro in with me. I'll show you just how awesome. Behold, Friar Tuck's. And this bike is nimble. Well, here it is. Let's see if they'll bring you in with me. Well, guys, unfortunately, they would not let me film in the building, and that's fine. I understand that. A lot of liquor, and they don't want, I guess, competition or whatever, looking at what they have. And that's cool. No worries. But just to show you how handy the Sport Glide bags are, look at this. I've got a shopping bag, I've got a hat, I got glass wipes, and a six-pack. And I got a six-pack on the other side, too. Oh, and a Coca-Cola. It's all a tight fit, but it all does fit. And I've got another six-pack on this side with something else. So now we're gonna go home and drink them. I was really hoping I'd been able to film in there just to show you guys the amounts that they stock, because it's really unbelievable. I mean, if you like wine, more than likely they have it or they can get it. I mean, they have everything there. Best Buy. You know, I'm really surprised Best Buy is still in business, but they're holding on. I don't know if it's the TVs or the computers that's keeping them in business, but I'm glad they're still around, because that's one of those stores growing up I used to go to all the time back in high school. Me and my buddy Roger, we'd take a trip up to Springfield. Seems like sometimes, like every weekend, and we go to Best Buy and buy CDs and stuff like that. It was a good time. Those are good memories. I just hate to see a store like that go. I know a lot of the online shopping at Walmart in particular are taking away a lot of the businesses such as that one. But it's good, like I said, it's good to still see them around. It's like nostalgia is a key factor for my generation. Now I'm 36, so honestly, I think people around my age, we grew up in the best time period. Because when we were growing up, we didn't have cell phones, so we knew what it was like to play outside. But yet, you know, when we got to our late teens, mid-20s, we were starting to see that technology shift come over. So we're not technologically impaired like generations before us, but we're good with it. We've seen the best of both worlds. We're a real adaptive generation. I don't know what you call us. Are we millennials if we're in our late 30s? There's a good topic of argument. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I think like my generation, like we had the best toys growing up, like He-Man, Transformers, Ninja Turtles, stuff like that. I had all that stuff growing up, and some of it I still have up in my attic somewhere. I got a lot of my He-Man toys still, Skeletor and Beastman and Mossman. Wonder if that stuff's worth any money now. I don't know what that dude was waving at, but I should have gave him the wave. Man, I'd really like to live in this town, but it's just so expensive. The taxes are through the roof, but I mean, it's just convenient. They have everything down here. There's tons of restaurants. The schools are really nice. You're only like 15 minutes from St. Louis. While I'm on this trip home from grabbing some delicious drinks for me and my lady, let me know in the comments below, what is your guys' favorite drink of choice? Let me know in the comments below. I'm a big, like I like some domestic light beers, but I'm really big on like Blue Moon and Amber Box, and I really like Yangling too, but Yangling is not, they don't distribute to this city yet. Or actually, I shouldn't say city, they don't distribute to this state yet. I really hope they do, because they distribute to Indiana, and that's just one state over. And they just started distributing to Kentucky. I heard that's a good tattoo spot. I'm gonna get tattooed by a car behind me for not going on a green light. So downtown here is beautiful. It's awesome. There's great bars. There's places to eat. There's a music shop right there. You could buy you a little guitar. Sergeant Pepper's, that place is actually pretty popular. Lori's Place is a real popular bar. There's the Wildy Theater. That place right there. That place, they show old movies. It's an old-time movie theater. You know, they got the marquee outside. And they show old movies. And it's really exciting around, like, the fall season, because they start showing horror movies there. Like, they'll show Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Friday the 13th. They showed Jaws there not too long ago, I think a couple years ago. It's almost like going back into time and, you know, watching a movie like people used to in the old days. That dog's taking a big old shit. So I saw Vance and Hines on Instagram today. They released some new exhaust slip-ons for the Softails, but unfortunately there's nothing for this bike. It's just a waiting game right now. I mean, I really want Vance and Hines exhaust on this bike. To me, it's the best sounding exhaust that's out there. It's a waiting game. I'll just have to see what they come out with, maybe over the winter or something, and hit that up. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. You got the right of way, not me. Yeah, this bike's got some scoot. I didn't have it opened up all the way fully either. So getting back to previous topic, let me know what are the things about your childhood that they've actually brought back now? Like, you see a lot of reboot stuff out now, and it makes you feel old because, you know, they're remaking this stuff that was new when you were a kid. like the Ninja Turtles or stuff like that. You guys get that nostalgia feeling for that stuff you see out today? Honestly, I think it's a big selling point for marketing. You could get you get those generations hooked on something that they fell in love with when they were a kid, and they can relive it again. Heck yeah, they're gonna buy into it. Anyway, that's all I got on this one. I'm gonna go home and drink some beer. You guys take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next video.